If your computer needs a new motherboard, but you're worried you might mess something up, this video might make you a little more confident in changing it out. First, remove everything from your current motherboard and put it aside. Push down on the PCIe slot tab to remove the graphics card. Make sure you check the pins for damage first so that you're not wasting your time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the old thermal paste from your CPU. Use a toothpick to remove any remaining thermal paste. If you're using a different board than you originally bought, make sure you rearrange the cables so that everything looks neat. In this case, I'll be using an identical board. Reseat all the cables that you removed. It doesn't matter which order you go in. Make sure you push firmly on the memory sticks and the graphics card to ensure that they're secure. With the new board installed, let's find out if our efforts paid off. Before you push the power button, press down on everything about 5 times to make sure it's fully secured. Last, I just want to say if you're using a Ryzen CPU, make sure you have a proper CPU cooler installed. Now let's find out if our hard work paid off. Woo! Let's see if anything pops up on the screen. Luckily, the operating system popped right back up. Even if you use a different board, it should still work if your board was manufactured in the last several years.